All right, welcome to day 16. I was watching this video. Holy crap, bro. Linux developer got swatted. Crazy times, man. But what am I doing today? Is it day 16? I forget. Yes, sir. Day 16. The grind don't stop. We're on loops. Honestly, I kind of know loops. What I really want is the slices stuff. That it's kind of confusing for me, but come on, let's get to loops. Yeah. Learn, go. Also, I'm trying out that philosophy of so I don't have the autocomplete no more. I disabled just the autocomplete. I still have LSPs because, like, for example, like return num. Like, I won't have, yeah, I won't have the autocomplete thing that pops up. So that's fine, but I just want to try it out, see how it helps me with distractions, focus mindset. So I believe I need to do like a for loop. It should return the total cost as a float to send a batch of num messages for each cost. Dollar plus additional fee. All right, I think I get it. Fee. Is that the yep? And then for I. For I is less than messages. I plus plus. And then I should probably, I should say, what is it? The cost. I think we say var int. And then we could do cost, which is the dollar plus the fee. And we need to return, and then not return. Then we need to do the increment the fee. Oh yeah, this is a float. 60, 60, 64. And return the cost. Okay. Let's try that out. Bueno. How long is this? Oh, good. Not that long. So let's do emitting conditions for a for loop in Go. Loops in Go can emit sections for a for loop. For example, the condition can be emitted which causes the loop to gotta copy this. Gotta grab this. You know, it is a bit convenient to have it in the browser, but can't have everything if you want it for free, you know? So let's very think correctly. Thresh. Complete the max message function. Given a cost threshold, it should calculate the maximum number of messages that can be sent. Each costs 100 pennies, plus an additional fee. Okay. So, yeah. So, what is a thresh? The amount of time? Well, yeah, I guess. Given a cost. Okay, so I guess I don't know, cost for thresh. The fee structure is like something like that, I guess. So what is the thresh? It's like an integer that I'm supposed to run. Initial. Maybe like some like is this what they want us to do? Oh my god! So like. Is this how they wanted us to do it? I don't know what exactly the... Oh, I failed this miserably. Given a cost threshold, it should calculate the maximum number of messages that can be sent. I'm confused what this is asking for. It's a bit unclear. Let's look at the test cases. Complete the max message function. Given a cost threshold, it should calculate the maximum number of messages that can be sent. What? Okay. Each message costs. Okay, I see what they're kind of asking. Is it saying cost? While cost is less than thresh, but thresh is like really small though. I don't know actually. And I'm not gonna return cost. I should return I guess I guess. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know what this really is asking for. This is really confusing. Complete max messages function. Given a cost threshold, it should calculate the maximum number of messages that can be sent. Bro, am I stupid or something? What is this asking for? Each message costs 100 pennies plus an additional fee. Loops in Go can emit sections for a for loop. For example, the condition can be omitted, which causes the loop to be forever. Okay. Complete the max message function. Given a cost threshold, it should calculate the maximum number of messages that can be sent. Oh, okay. Okay, cost threshold. It should calculate the maximum numbers. Oh yeah, then I kind of get it. This is more like fee. And fee. Increase the fee by 1. And then how many, I guess a counter. It's like the same as the fee. Why can't I return the fee? Is it like the same thing? Maybe +1. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm very confused on what this is really trying to ask. Let me really read the test cases. So this is the This is so 100, this could only be 1. Oh, okay. For 3, for 3,000 there could be 26. Okay, I see. Bro, I'm choking right now. I can't even think. So the cost, should this be 100 by default? Or maybe inclusive, like if it's equal to the thresh, right? And then return that. Yeah. What am I missing, man? This is confusing as hell. I'm supposed to calculate how many times does the thresh go in, like how many times, how many messages I can send with the threshold cost, right? So like, while the cost is low, it's the same amount, right? Yeah, each costs up that plus a fee, and then while it's essentially while it's less than the threshold, right? I guess like this. This literally makes no difference. Okay, I have those variables for no reason. 2 passed. Maybe I should start with 1. I'm confused. What am I missing? I'm not understanding something. Is there a plus in Go? Oh, there might be. Nice, okay. So I don't have to do this. A fee. I'm so confused. What am I actually getting? Oh, I'm getting one less. Or two more? Oh. Maybe minus one? Because I'm overcounting. Why am I overcounting? Yeah, why am I overcounting? Let me see this. Okay. I'm overcounting by... Let me see this right now. Let me see this fee one. The fee... Alright, let's see. So... Expecting... I'm overcounting by 1. Oh, I see. I see. Maybe I'm incrementing... even though I'm beyond the... I'm beyond the threshold. What if I start like this? Oh my god. It's so annoying. What am I failing? $35? So this is the threshold, and the cost is equal, so it should be 0. It's failing this one, right? What the hell, man? This is ridiculous. If I start with 0, bro, this is not even a hard problem. What am I missing so hard? Oh lord, I'm chopped, bro. Yeah, I'm overcounting by 1. While the cost is that, increment this. If it's 0, then this would never do, and I would just return 0. Why is that not the case? This is ridiculous. For example, input 103. I put in 10. Oh, that's a big number actually. Okay, if I put in 0, is cost 0 less than 0? No, so it shouldn't enter here. Why is it even entering? The frick? That's ridiculous. I don't understand how it's entering the block. Why on earth would this enter? So is this legal or no? Why is it entering the thing? I'm so confused on this part. Why is it entering the loop? If thresh is 0, don't enter this. This shouldn't even enter at all. Am I not thinking correctly? Why am I stuck in this shit, bro? So if I'm for cost and okay, if I'm less than the thresh, dude, Go is pissing me off right now. Why is this happening? If I input, what is it? If I input 0, I should get 0, but I'm getting 1. Oh, I pass. Okay, now I pass. Weird. That's one message. I'm missing something. I gotta be missing something. Let's focus here. So cost is 100. Let's just do a counter. CNT plus plus. What? Oh, it's like doubling now. That's really, really weird. Oh, I forgot. It might overshoot because it's trying to it's overcounting because it does this and it could be out of the range. Yeah, like it's out of the range, right? I'm at like 5,000 something, and then I add the fee and still count it. I shouldn't even count it if do I have to do another check or something? I should not be able to. Why am I so stupid today? I don't know why it's wrong with me. Dude, this shouldn't be happening. Oh my god, what am I failing this time? If I put in 100, I should do at least one. Oh. A 100 is not less than 100, yeah. Should be more like. I don't know. I don't know if this is really bad logic. I don't know what the frick's wrong with my thing, but whatever. There's no while loops in Go. Most programming languages have a concept of while loop because Go allows for the omission of sections. So for loop that only has a condition. Let's copy this. We have an new interesting cost structure for our SMS vendor. They charge exponentially more money for each consecutive text we send. Let's write a function that calculates how many messages we can send given in a given batch, given a cost multiplier and a max cost in pennies. In a nutshell, the first message costs a penny, and each message that costs the same as the previous message multiplied the cost multiplier. Wait, did I copy this already? Wait, I think, yeah, I did. All right, got that going. FizzBuzz. I think I know the. Should I do for loop? I'll do a for loop. I 0. Let's start with 1. I is less than equal to 100. I print, so fmt, so I import, print, and then I gotta do if statement. So if I is fmt print ln fizz buzz else if I need to put a condition. I is mod 5 equal to 0. Let's do buzz else if I 3, what am I saying, equal to P, equal to 0, fmt print ln fizz else and yeah, I think I got it. It gonna be the video. That's okay. Oh wait, I forgot. This is not a thing. So can I just run? Can I run go? Go run main. I think it's good. Oh wow. I accidentally clicked it. Next. Continue and break. Yep. Print prime numbers. Alright, I gotta do this. For every I in, for I is 2, if I is 2, I plus equals 1. What am I saying? I gotta think before I type, man. So I is less than max. Plus 1. I plus plus. If n, or if I is equal to 2. If I is equal to 2. fmt dot print ln I. If n is even, if I is mod 2 equals 0. fmt print ln I. Wait, there's more. N is not prime, skip to next. Oh, okay. Continue. For I gotta do J3 from J3. J is there a square root I can do in Let me check up the square root of n. A higher, a factor higher than square. Okay, so I would say is j times j less than equal to I increment by 2, so j 2. If I can be a multiple of n, if I can be multiplied into n, so I guess like I, if j, if it can be multiplied into n, that means it's divisible. So if I say n mod or I mod j is equal, continue. Otherwise, fmt print ln I. I might have messed up here. I don't know why it's printing twice. Literally, you should just do one. Skip to the next n. Okay, then yeah, that's true. I gotta instead this. Break. Yeah. I don't know why I'm getting duplicates here. If n is prime printed. Oh yeah, I definitely got this wrong. Prints up to 10, I only got 2. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, mine's definitely wrong. Something's wrong with my algorithm. I guess this is redundant because it's gonna just go to this. It's your values to choose, so we could just it will skip. Then I do this. Maybe it's j, like that. I think it's this condition here. If I can be multiplied into n, meaning does n divide I? Or does I divide n? So it's saying if j mod I equals 0. Break. I'm missing something. I don't know why I'm not getting any of the numbers. Maybe just continue. If n is not prime, skip to next n. But I'm not doing n though. Maybe I just do. Yeah, I'm ton of this condition is I'm not understanding. For I in range from that, increment by 2. If I can be multiplied into n is not prime, skip to the next n. Skip to next n. N is prime, print it. Oh, I see. We could do it here. I see. So if I mod j equal I'm getting somewhere. I think I'm not supposed to print the last number. Well, I shouldn't print this. I should print break or continue. Or should I continue or break? Two, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is 9 prime? I don't think 9 is prime. Is 9? Oh, frack. Why is my 9 being included? The j times j less than equal to n. We start checking at 2. And yeah. 2 to m max plus 1. Okay. Getting somewhere. Yeah, I don't know why my 9 is being included. Should I break? I don't know why I'm getting this. This is really bad. Prime's up to 10. Oh, I should just break. Yeah, I'm doing that. Skip to the next n. So yeah, break. And then yep. I don't know what I feel like there's a mistake somewhere I'm making. And is prime printed. This is when we would print it. These are the cases to falsify it. We're saying is 3 times 3 less than equal to I. Does J... Oh, it breaks. And don't print it. If I break out of it, I'm gonna print this stuff. So I should... Uh-oh. I break out of this early. I'm pretty sure there's a... I'm supposed to... If I can be multiplied into n... For the inner for loop, when a number has a factor, you should use the breaker to exit the loop early. Oh yeah, I just need to skip to the next n. How do I do that? I guess this. Oh wait, that's like the scoped already. Bro, are you serious? Okay, I gotta guard this somehow. Maybe I'll add a flag or something. If true, if flag. Oh wait, if like not flag, continue. Flag equals false. Break. How's that? Yeah, there you go. 2357. 2357. It's 29 prime. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. Connections. Let's do this, copy that. Complete count connections that takes an integer group size, representing the number of people in the group chat, and returns an integer representing the number of connections between them. For each additional person in the group, the number of new connections continues to grow. Use a for loop to accumulate the number of connections instead of directly using a mathematical formula. What the hell is some LeetCode problem? To the group size. Complete the count connection from that takes an integer group size representing the number of people in the group chat and returns an integer represent the number of connections between them. For each additional person in the group, the number of new connections continues to grow. So I gotta loop through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the number was 5, right? If it was 2, then it would have 1 connection. If it was 3, I would have 1 connection, 2 connection, 1 connection, 2 connection. Wait, what? For each additional person, the number of new connections continue. Useful to accumulate the number of connections instead of. Why not this person too? What the frack? This is weird. What? It's not very clear. Return a function that takes an integer group size representing the number of people in the group chat. Return an integer representing the number of connections between them. For each additional person in the group, the number of new connections continue to grow. Okay, so the first person has 1 connection. Okay, that's blue. The second person has 2 connections. The third person has 3 connections, and the fourth person has 4 connections. So what I return? So this is 5. This is ridiculous, bro. I'm like so lost. So it increases. New connections continues to grow by 1. So the first person has 1 connection. One. So what do I return? Do I return? Oh, okay. I see. 1 is 0 because there's nobody to connect to, but 2, they could have 1. Okay, I see now. So essentially, I need at least 2 people for it to have 1 connection. So it's like some kind of for loop. So so what do I return? The most connections, so I should return like the sum. Like if there's 3 people, I could have, yeah, the 2 before. It's like some kind of, I see something here, return. I could do like it's like a Fibonacci low-key. I think this is Fibonacci or something. Or factorial? See factorial 1 is 0 or 1. Actually, it's like not factorial. Yeah, factorial 1 is 1, but 0 actually. Okay, it's not to use a mathematical formula, so I have to use a formula. Well, I can just do for loops, right? So I have 5 people. So I have to do for each person. So for every person, P is less than group size. P is plus. Right? Connections return connections. Okay, so for every person and amount, connect amount, connect AMT. Also, you start with nothing. So the connections is plus equals connections is how many people can they connect with, which is, yeah, so for every person, other person, starting from at least 1 or starting from P less than group size. Okay, I'm getting this all wrong. So I have this. For every person, so it's to start with 1, but how many? So there's 1 here, and I have 4 people. I have 2, then I have still 4 people left. 1 here, I'll have, or is it? This is so complicated. So I can do essentially I'm gonna have a connection amount, so it's gonna start from 0, right? Connections. Okay, no. Let's think this through. Why am I so slow at this? So it starts with 1 person. Oh, let's do 2 person. Right? Let's do 3. We have 3 people. So the first person is gonna take 1 person, add that there. The second person is gonna add 2 people, add that there. The third person is gonna add 3 people. Or 2 people. Right? No. So like, let me see this. The first person is gonna add 1 person. The second person is gonna add 2 people. And the third person is gonna add also 2 people. Well, actually, that's it. So it's more like a while loop, actually. While connections is less than group size, right? Then connections and the connect amount. Connect AMT plus equals 1 or plus. Let's see this one. So we have a group size of 10. Okay, I guess I'm not understanding this. a connection equals that. A connect amount is equal to that. A connection is less than the group size. Oh yeah, the connection amount should increase. This is such a difficult thing. Why is it so difficult? Fuck, man, this is so fucking annoying. I cannot think of a solution here. So one person, the first person does, okay, the first does 0. The second, first person does 1. The second person adds 2. And returns an integer representing the number of connections between them. I can connect to all 4. So essentially I can connect to at most n minus group minus 1. Group size minus 1, right? Right? Am I missing something? This is such a hard to conceptualize. I'm so bad at coding. Oh my god. What could I possibly missing here? Right? 1 here. I need to conceptualize this. Right? So like for five people, so, 5 people of group size, I could do first person connects to 1 person, second person connects to 2 people, third person connects to, I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 person, or the third person connects to 3 people, fourth person connects to 4 people, and so this is the first, second, third, fourth. Oh. Wait a minute. This person doesn't have anything. Okay. So, if I'm looking at this correctly, is either correct case cases, right? 3 is expects 3 people for what the hell? I'm so confused. I don't understand the problem. I wish I could understand it, but I don't think I can understand it. This is really annoying. What am I fundamentally missing? Like, is it incrementing by 1? This is so tricky. Okay, 1 here. 1, 3. So it's increment 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I supposed to return for each additional person in the group? The number of new connections. Yeah. Number of connections. So how many connections? There's 1 connection, 2 connection, 3 connection, 4 connections. So return 4. That's ridiculous. How would it decrease here? I don't get it. It's not very clear. For 10 people, there should be 45 connections. For 100, yeah, I don't know. This is optional, so I'll maybe do this tomorrow. I'm getting really tired, so thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow.